Now I'll be showing you how to fade your video and audio in Sony Vegas Pro 17 or 18. So we're going to be fading this music to start out right here. You're going to see these two little tabs in the corners, and you're going to go right up to this, not at the top of the video, but right at the close to the top. It's going to pop up this little triangle looking thing, and you're just going to hold that down and pull it over, and you're going to see it a line, and that line corresponds with the audio. So at the beginning it starts at 0, and at the end it finishes off with the full audio. Now you can also adjust the gain, so the full audio is lowered, so then it fades in to then the audio decibel that you've chosen. So as you can see, it now fades in instead of just going like that. And once this line is changed, you're gonna have to find the line and then bring it over. Perfect. With video, it is the same concept. We're gonna go to this clip, top corner, fade that in. Actually, it's selected as something else, but we can just fade that in. And in our case, there's a transition there, but we can just get rid of that transition. Rid of that transition, boom, and now it's just faded in. Actually, this isn't a good video to test on because we were just using that, but you can fade it in just like so. Okay, it's giving us some trouble. You can unselect that, boom. Alright, there we go. Now it's fading in, like so. Mute that for now. Once you have a transition selected, make sure you unselect it because it will then correspond to all of them. I added those transitions over here and now it corresponds to all of them, so make sure to unselect those. But now it will fade in, and that is how you fade audio and video in Sony Vegas Pro 17 or 18.